de clase. My name is Senora Owen. I'm a teacher here at Mountain View Elementary. I teach Spanish. We have the privilege of studying Hispanic Heritage Month. We do it every year, and we highlight famous Hispanics, their food that they bring us, the customs, to teach culture. I have this world map right here. I bring in all kinds of mariachi hats, books, short clips and videos of famous people and Hispanic countries. We sing, we dance, we make flores de papel, we make papel picado, we make piñata crafts. They got to learn about all the beautiful colores and the brightness of it, and they glued the brightness, the colores, to the piñata. And as we did it, we sang color songs. Red is rojo, so they could learn their colores in Espanol. Blue is azul. Our theme this year in Waco SD is you're valued. We're valuing you, and we're sending you to empower. We're empowering you and valuing you. So we talk about eres capaz, you are capable. Eres amado, you are loved. Eres importante, eres especial, eres fabuloso. You are loved, you're fabulous, you're special, you're important, you can do it. And I'm teaching them how valuable they are and to love themselves and to believe that they're amazing people that can change the world, so that by the time they leave my room, I want them using the vocabulary. I want them enjoying the culture. I want them to really respect and value and think that way for life. Vamos a hacer
Hacer
lo correcto